Alright guys, I had to go get some supplies, pliers, wrench, basically things to take off the toilet, because I got to remove the toilet now and see if there's something stuck in there. So we'll go see. Hello? Thanks. I'm just gonna close the door, okay?
Okay, yeah.
Alright. So, first things first, shut off the water. That water drain out. Sometimes I check just to see if the bolted nut will go back on. If I have any hesitation at all, I just change it. So, I don't actually see anything in there. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. So, I'm just going to recommend that they change out the toilet. Just for the fact that there's some calcium buildup and that possibly could be causing it. Even inside the drain itself. So, like I say, I'll be recommending that they do that. What's going on? Yeah. You guys got to change this toilet. Oh. So, actually, look, you can see? Yeah. There's nothing in it.
Look.
It's probably the calcium buildup. It's probably inside as well. There may be something stuck in there, but I snaked it out a few times. Yeah. I was just about to put it back on, but now you can deal with it. So, change your toilet.
Yeah.
All right?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna leave it off, and you're gonna deal with that, yeah? Yeah?
No, I am finished at 5 o'clock. Yeah.
Okay, who takes over for you?
I don't know,
You're on at maintenance, right?
Yeah, maintenance finished at 5 o'clock.
Okay,
yeah.
So they have an after hours, yeah?
Yeah, the extra guy and on call, right?
Okay.
Yeah, you call to manager.
I can't call him, you gotta call him.
No, I am finished now.
Okay, I understand that, but that's not...
You call to office.
That's not really our job, boss. Yeah. You have their number. You can't just call them and say, listen, they need a new toilet.
Okay.
The technician's here, tried snaking it out.
I give you his number. Yeah, you call it.
You don't know?
Yeah.
What's the number?
What's your son? 21.
What?
21.
21.
39.
39?
Yeah. 657.
Who's this?
Yeah, office lady.
The office lady?
Yeah.
Is it not just an answering service?
Yeah.
Hi, it's is this on it? Oh, okay, it's Jason from Drain Tack. Okay, I'm up here in 1502. The toilet needs to be changed. I pulled it off. I got your maintenance guy here right now. He's seen that it's off. I told him he needs a new toilet, and he told me to call you. Well, it's got to be changed, but are you wanting me to put it back on? Like you're not going to get them new toilet type of thing? Okay, how are they going to use the washroom? Okay, do you guys have a spare unit that they can use? Like, you can't leave, it's none of my business, I'm just saying you can't leave a tenant without a toilet. You understand what I'm saying? No, as soon as you put paper in it plugs it up. Toilet's full of calcium. Like, I snake it out and it clears, but then it backs up again. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna put it back on. I'm just letting you know, like you can't kind of leave the tenants without a toilet, right? All right, thank you. Bye. So she's supposed, this is the manager.
Yeah.
She's supposed to be in contact with you guys. She knows they gotta change the toilet. You overheard me say they gotta change the toilet, right? Do you guys have a plunger?
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah.
In the cabinet?
Yeah.
Okay, so. You flush the toilet, it's not gonna go down.
Yeah.
If you plunge it, it may, right? Try to reduce the amount of paper going down. Okay, it's, sorry, I feel bad, I really do. It's,
No,
but,
it happened before. Like
no, I know, but it should have been addressed then,
yeah, I know.
right? And it's like, so what I would do, I would try to get a hold of the office. I said, listen, contractor is here. Don't say that I was talking to you, but just say the contractor is here, he left, toilet's not fixed. That way, they have it on file again, right? That's what I would do. Again, I apologize.
No, it's okay.
So, try to have a good night, all right?
Definitely, thank you. She's on her way.
All right, tell her I'm sorry.
Don't worry. You've done more help than they've done. So.
All right, thank you. Have a good weekend, all right? Thanks. Alright guys, so as you can see, there was nothing in the toilet, but we weren't able to get it drained properly. So until next time, this has been Jay, that drain guy. Ciao now.